Also talking about a little bit of snow, possibly. Good morning.
Good morning, that's right. Later on tonight and tomorrow, Lou, for some of us, but not all of us. Today what we've got is rain moving eastwards. It will quickly clear now. Then it's going to be followed by sunshine and showers. There'll be more showers today across Northern Ireland, Wales and central and southern England than yesterday. So here's the front producing the rain. This is the low pressure that will produce some snow, but it's also going to produce rain and windy conditions. Still uncertainty about its track. It keeps changing. Now, through the course of the night, we've seen quite a lot of rain whipping from the west over towards the east, accompanied by gusty winds. That will continue to edge away, leaving a largely dry day, some sunshine around, but the showers developing, and some of those will be heavy, particularly so in the west, some of them making it into central and southeastern parts as well. The southwest isn't immune to those showers through the afternoon. Again, some of them could be heavy with hail and thunder, as indeed they could be across Wales, but not all of us will see one, and for many it will be a dry and a bright day or a day with some sunny spells. For Northern Ireland, you've got the morning rain now cleared, showers developing behind, but quite a bit of sunshine, and showers across western Scotland. Some of the showers across the Highlands and Grampians down to 400 metres will follow snow, but equally there's a lot of dry weather and some sunshine too. More sunshine across the north of England compared to yesterday, and as we move into the south, we're back into the dizzy concoction of bright spells, sunny spells and some heavy showers. Now, through the evening and overnight, the northern half of the country will be cold. There'll be some frost, possibly some ice, some fog and some freezing fog across the Vale of York. This is the area of low pressure coming in. This is the track we currently think it is going to take. Now, it's going to be wet, it's going to be windy, and there will be snow, largely on the hills, but in some of the heavier bursts, we'll see it down to low levels too, as well as some sleet. Tomorrow, you can see how the low pressure curls, taking the snow across mid and southern parts of Wales into the Cotswolds, heading off in the direction of the Chilterns as well, and rather like the overnight period, in some of the heavier bursts, we'll see some sleet and snow at lower levels too. But to the north of that, it's drier, it's brighter, there's some sunshine, and there's a peppering of showers in the west. Tomorrow is going to be a cool day, but it will feel quite raw if you're under the influence of that area of low pressure. Then as we head on into the weekend, well, we're looking at a chilly weekend in prospect, again, both by day and by night. There will be some frost around. It's looking pretty showery on Saturday, but again, that will be mixed up with some bright spells or sunny spells. Sunday currently looks like being the driest day of the week for the bulk of the UK, with some decent lengthy spells of sunshine. But then our next Atlantic system is just waiting in the wings. Lou and Charlie.
Thank you very much. Charlie's got a question, Carol.
Yes, Carol, you know, this morning we're talking about what makes people successful. You know, what is it about? If you had to pin one thing on your success, what would it be? Was it in you or was it influence from outside? What do you think?
I think I've got a fabulous team around me, Charlie, and that's what it is.
You see, I knew.
No,
she's so modest. You're modest and
no, but
clever.
You know, was it your parents? Was it something in you? Were you a kind of one of those people who was always striving?
My parents were always very keen on all of us. I've got many brothers and sisters, as you know, working hard and studying, and we had a lot of discipline around that and a lot of rules, but it didn't do us any harm at all. So I think that probably helped as well.
That's very interesting.
Thanks, Carol.
Thank you so much, Carol.
8:24. Do you think she liked that question or not?
I did give her a warning, but there's nothing she can do, is there?
8:24 the time. The government is being accused of failing to protect people in